Attorney Sally Babbitt is the founder of Babbitt Legal Group. Sally, hiring an attorney is an expensive and kind of stressful undertaking. Are there things that we as clients need to do to make sure we get the most out of our representation?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, the attorney-client relationship is really a two-way engagement. It's safe to say that the more willing the client is to put into it, the more they're going to get out of it.
Oh, that makes sense. So even though there are different types of services that attorneys are hired to provide, that differs from case to case, but are there any general guidelines that every client should follow? Like, I know I am hiring you, but you don't necessarily out of the gate know what I'm needing from you.
That's exactly true. There's really kind of three rules of engagement that I think every client can kind of follow that will really help their representation. The first is communication. You know, read and respond to emails, return phone calls, respond to letters. A lot of those things are time sensitive, so don't ignore those communications. The second would be provide all the information and documentation that your attorney is asking for. We don't generally, call and ask for information that we don't want or need. So, and it's very specific information. You know, if I ask for somebody to give me a document that covers the date of death, I mean that time period, date of death. So that's very important. But the third one is don't be the person with what I call the GLD, the Google Law degree. Because it's perfectly fine to do outside research. I think that's great. But keep in mind, nobody ever passed the bar exam by just doing a Google search or even the ethics exam for that matter.
Right.
So, if you find something outside research that you have a question about, by all means, bring it to the attorney. But, literally bring it to the attorney. Let us know, where are you getting this authority? Is this a Florida case or a Michigan case? That kind of thing. I think all those things will really enhance your experience with counsel, no matter what you're hiring for. So those are my kind of go-to guidelines.
And what is the gamut of services you offer at Babbitt Legal Group?
I really focus on issues relating to death and disability. That can be planning, estate planning, wills and trusts. That can be probate litigation if something's going wrong, estate and trust administration. So those kinds of things are really the focus of our firm.
All right, Sally Babbitt, attorney and founder of Babbitt Legal Group. Thank you so much for joining us today. They can go to your website for more information or give your office a call. Take care, Sally. Thanks.